Buying a truck used to be a badge of honor, a machine built to outlast its owner. But in 2026, those days are officially dead. Today, you aren't buying a tool, you're buying a $70,000 ticking time bomb. I've spent weeks digging through service records, and what I found is insulting. There is one specific truck, a gold standard legendary brand, that is currently suffering from catastrophic engine seizures with less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Owners are dumping them at a loss just to escape the nightmare. If you're looking at a used rig right now, you are walking through a minefield. Before you sign that title and ruin your financial future, you need to see exactly how the industry is stabbing you in the back. Number 5. The Nissan Titan, 2017 to 2023. Coming in at number 5 on our list of trucks to avoid in 2026 is the 2017 to 2023 Nissan Titan. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. You probably bought one of these hoping to outsmart the big three. You wanted to escape the constant recalls coming out of Detroit and figured a Japanese-engineered V8 was the safe bet. On paper, it looks great. Under the hood sits a 5.6-liter endurance V8. It sounds powerful, it feels solid, but it hides a devastating secret, specifically in cylinder number 7, the technical nightmare. Publicly available service data and independent mechanic reports show a recurring nightmare. The cylinder walls in these engines begin to scuff and score. This isn't just a minor leak or a sensor glitch. It leads to a catastrophic engine knock. When you hear that sound, it's the end of the road for that power plant. The financial blow. We are talking about a repair bill that frequently climbs north of $12,000. Why? Because the only real fix is a complete engine replacement. Imagine paying off a truck while it sits in a service bay because the manufacturer failed to ensure the longevity of the most basic part of the vehicle. It is a total betrayal of the American worker who just wanted a vehicle that wouldn't let them down on the job site. We remember when trucks were built to be fixed, not just replaced like a disposable cell phone. If you're hunting for a Titan, you better check the service history for any signs of engine noise, because once it starts, your bank account is finished. Number 4. The Ram 1500, 2019 to 2023. Taking the number 4 spot on our warning list is the 2019 to 2023 Ram 1500. For decades, the name Ram was synonymous with grit. It was a truck that didn't care about being pretty because it was too busy being productive. Back in the 70s and 80s, a Dodge truck was a rugged tool. Powered by the 318 or 360 cubic inch V8s, these were engines you could practically fix with a hammer and a screwdriver. Those were the golden years. But look at the Ram in 2026. Today, it feels more like a luxury sedan with a bed attached to it. It's filled with massive 12-inch touchscreens and overcomplicated air suspension systems. Those airbags, they're destined to fail the moment the temperature drops below freezing, leaving your truck sagging and undrivable. The Hemi tick of death. The heartbreaking part is that while the corporate offices were busy making the interior look like a private jet, they neglected the heart of the machine. The 5.7-liter Hemi V8 is now legendary for all the wrong reasons. I'm talking about the notorious Hemi tick. This isn't just a noisy valve train. It's a fundamental design flaw involving the roller lifters. They seize up and grind your camshaft into metal shavings without a moment's notice. Reports confirm this can strike at 50,000 miles or 100,000 miles. The cost? Easily exceeds $5,000. It is a total betrayal. We've gone from trucks that lasted 40 years to trucks that might not even last through the duration of a 60-month loan. If you think manufacturers should stop putting iPads in the dash and start putting quality back in the block, drop a comment below. Number 3. Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra, 2019 to 2024. Moving into the number 3 spot, we have the 2019 to 2024 Chevrolet Silverado and its twin, the GMC Sierra. There was a time when the heartbeat of America wasn't just a marketing slogan, it was a promise cast in iron. We all remember the legendary 350 small block or the early 5.3-liter Vortec engines. Those engines would simply refuse to die. They built our suburbs and fueled our economy. You could hear a Chevy coming from a mile away and know it was honest, simple, and built to last until the wheels fell off. The corporate dismantling. Today, that legacy is being systematically dismantled. Why? Because Detroit is more concerned with meeting government fuel economy standards than your peace of mind. The modern 5.3 and 6.2-liter engines are equipped with Dynamic Fuel Management, or DFM. This is a fancy way of saying your truck is constantly trying to be a 4-cylinder or even a 2-cylinder when you're just trying to cruise the highway. The lifter epidemic. This constant shifting has led to a documented epidemic of lifter failures. It's the talk of every independent repair shop in the country. When these lifters fail, they often take out the camshaft or bend the push rods. The cost? You're looking at a dead engine and a repair bill hitting $4,000 to $5,000. It's a heartbreaking reality for owners who bought a Chevy expecting old-school dependability, only to find they're driving a ticking time bomb of sensors and solenoids. We've traded rugged simplicity for a fragile, overcomplicated mess. Don't let your driveway ornament be a Silverado you can't afford to fix. Number 2. Ford F-150 2017 to 2020. Taking the number 2 spot is the king of the sales charts, the 2017 to 2020 Ford F-150. For over 40 years, Ford has told us their trucks are built Ford tough, and for a long time, we believed them. We remember the 300 inline 6 and the old 4-speed transmissions that felt like they were forged by blacksmiths. In the 1980s, you could take an F-150 through a mud hole or a construction site for 20 years, and the only thing you'd worry about was the body resting before the drivetrain gave up. The 10-speed nightmare. Fast forward to the modern era, Ford replaced that ruggedness with the 10-speed automatic transmission known as the 10R80. It has become a nightmare for owners nationwide. Whether you have the 5.0-liter V8 or the twin-turbo EcoBoost, it doesn't matter. If your transmission can't decide which of those 10 gears to be in, you're going nowhere fast. The failure symptoms. Class action lawsuits and endless technical service bulletins describe a transmission that hesitates, jerks, and shifts so hard it feels like you just got rear-ended by a freight train. Mechanics are seeing these units fail prematurely due to internal wear and valve body issues. The cost. A total rebuild will cost you anywhere from $7,000 to $9,000. It's an absolute betrayal. Ford gave us more gears to chase a few extra miles per gallon to please the government, but they left the American consumer holding the bag when the systems fell apart. It's a financial liability once it hits 80,000 miles. Number 1. The ultimate betrayal. Toyota Tundra 2022 to 2024. Finally, we have reached the number 1 spot. This one truly hurts to talk about because for decades, this brand was the gold standard of reliability. The truck you must avoid at all costs in 2026 is the 2022 to 2024 Toyota Tundra, the golden era. We all remember the early 2000s and 2010s. A Toyota badge was a guarantee you would reach 300,000, 500,000, or even 1,000,000 miles. The 4.7 and 5.7-liter I-Force V8s were the last bastions of overbuilt engineering. You didn't buy a Tundra back then for the horsepower or the screen size. You bought it because you knew that truck would be there for your grandkids. But that world is gone. In 2022, Toyota walked away from that legacy and replaced it with a high-tech twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6. It has turned out to be a mechanical disaster, the catastrophic failure. According to massive recalls and federal safety reports, these engines are suffering from catastrophic main bearing failures. The cause? Machining debris left inside the engine during manufacturing. We are talking about brand new trucks with less than 20,000 miles on them suddenly seizing up on the highway. This isn't a sensor glitch. It's a total engine failure that requires a complete replacement. The cost? If you didn't have a warranty, this job would cost you upwards of $25,000 to $30,000. It is a tragedy to see the most trusted brand in the world sacrifice its reputation to chase trends. If we can't trust the Toyota name anymore, the era of the reliable pickup truck is officially dead. This is exactly why you cannot trust shiny brochures or paid reviewers who tell you newer is always better. The landscape of the American truck market has shifted into dangerous territory. We've gone from machines built for a lifetime to vehicles built for a lease cycle. But you don't have to be a victim of corporate greed. You've worked too hard for your money to let it disappear into a service department at a dealership that doesn't even know your name. The golden era of the 1980s might be in the rearview mirror, but as long as we stand together and share the truth, we can still find the rigs that are worth our time. If this video helped you save a few $1,000s today, hit that like button. Share this with your buddies who are out there looking for a new rig right now. You might save them from a decade of debt. Subscribe to the channel so you never walk into a dealership blind again. And I want to hear from you. Which truck do you think is the last true survivor left on the road? Drop it in the comments. Stay smart, stay informed, and never stop demanding the quality you deserve.